Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix invalid token in Discord. So I was searching for the solution to this problem, then I came across this Reddit post where this person asked the same question, and in response to it, other people tried to help him. So this person said that would be helpful if you share your code as well. There could be other reason explaining the error. So this person shared this code. I completely reset my bot and just straight up grabbed this code from the discord.js docs. Even this gives me an error with my token, not sure what's going on. So let's just find out if this person get the answer to it or not. So it's actually a quite simple fix. With the discord.js 14 update, they added a new gateway uh, intent bits that you need to plug in. They didn't update it on the documentation, but it needs to look something like this. So you just have to simply take a look at it. At the start of the code, the two new intents required are the guide message and the message content. The top line is optional, but it is good if you are building a bot with the commands, etc. Hope this helped. So you just have to also follow the same thing, and you just have to check whether your problem is fixed or not. The other person is saying that I'm not sure if this would be helpful or dumb, but I'm gonna say, but every time I generate a new token, it only had 32 characters, and I generated it again and again until like 15 times it worked for me. And I don't know why. The working token is much longer, 72 characters, and has two dots that basically split the three segments of characters, and it works. So you should try this again and again, and maybe it will work for you at some points as well. It's so weird. So you can see that this comment is only 1 month ago, which is not too late. So you can also try the same thing and check whether your problem is fixed or not. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.